Hello and welcome back to this part 2. This is where we'll be installing the biometric attendance system software and actually making use of it by first opening the software, everything you need to know. Then I'm installing it on Windows 11 Pro. This is the setup file. I will just open it here. It's loading up. So this is where I install it either for a single use or everyone that use the software by default is for only me the user of this PC. Then I choose where I want to install, which is I just go on and click install on by default. Having installed it, this is the first screen that we are welcome to. Normally we are supposed to log in as a staff that is going to be making use of the software to take attendance. But as it says right now, we don't yet have a staff account. The database is pretty empty. It's local based. So we have to first and foremost enroll. I, as a staff that will be enrolling students on the platform, I have to enroll myself to. In fact, that is one of the basic ways of ensuring that everything is set up correctly. So I'm going to do that now. I can just click on enroll as a staff, but there is another thing. You can also restore data. Probably I'm migrating the software from one PC to the other. I can pretty much just export the data on the software from the other PC, then import it here, and everything will resume to exactly the state it was on the other PC or however the case might be. To the extent that even the fingerprint scans that have been done and enrolled on the machine will still work as far as it has not been cleared from the fingerprint machine itself. Everything will work the same. But as for now, we are just starting afresh. We don't have such backup data. So we are just going to continue and enroll as a staff. I click on enroll as a staff. Yes, I want to enroll. So this is just a demo account. Assuming I'm a staff. Okay, this is my department and my email, me at you.com or whatever it might be. This is just a dummy data for test sake. Then order my full name, my name, gender, of course I am male, password for ease, let's just use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then the next step is to enroll fingerprint. Okay, I didn't put my phone address 081 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That pretty does it. So fingerprint, I need to enroll my fingerprint. Basically, when you are enrolling students, is going to be every enrollment of fingerprint is going to be two fingers. For efficiency sake and for reliability sake, you are advised to enroll one finger from each hand, one from the left and one from the right, in case of any anomaly, probably when the students are taking attendance or as the case may be. So that's what I'm going to do. Pretty much this is it. I want to enroll now. This is the fingerprint scanner, as you can see here. I'm going to be enrolling my thumb. This is it. All I need to do now is to, okay, this is it. All I need to do is to click on scanner. It says, the instruction says I should place my finger on the scan sensor. So that is why my first finger has been enrolled. And then I switch to my my other hand, then my thumb again. It doesn't matter which finger you actually used. I just decide to use my thumbs. So my both of my fingers have been enrolled as staff now, and I can look at the summary of my enrollment. If I'm okay with it, then I click on finish. I have enrolled as a staff. So as you can see now, the sign in is allowed for me either with username and password or with fingerprint. But for ease, I'll just go with the fingerprint because I can't go on typing username and password. So this is still the fingerprint scanner connected to the laptop through your normal USB cable. As you can see, let me remove the, now I have removed the scanner from the laptop. As you can see, the screen is complaining that there is no scanner Now I go ahead again and plug to it, just wait for about 3 seconds and the scanner will come right back and okay, I can now log in with my either of my hands that my fingers that I've used is asking me to scan. All I need to do is put my finger on it and I mean you can see the name I typed in while I was creating the student account. So that is it. We have been successfully installed the software, enrolled my account as a staff, tested our fingerprint enrollment and verification. First of all, I enrolled my two thumbs. Then I logged into the software using my one of the thumbs that I just enrolled. And as you can see, when I logged in with my thumb, it actually showed my name over here, meaning that it actually recognized me. So thank you for this part and see you in the next.